Early leaks about the iPhone 16 Pro highlighted its bigger screen and a rumored capture button. Newer leaks now suggest that the phone will also have significant camera upgrades, including larger camera modules. Some recent photos show that these new sensors will need a bigger camera bump than the one on the iPhone 15 Pro. Majin Buu has shared 2 photos of the iPhone 16 Pro's case showing large camera cutouts. This suggests the phone will have bigger sensors than the previous model. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to feature a larger 6.3-inch screen, up by 0.2 inches. Its main camera size is rumored to increase from 1/1.28 inch to 1/1.14 inch, potentially improving its photo quality. This would enhance its status as the iPhone 15 Pro is already considered one of the best camera phones of 2024. The 12-megapixel ultrawide camera, used since 2019, will be replaced by a 48-megapixel Sony IMX903 sensor. It's unclear if this new sensor will be bigger than the current one, but if it is, it explains why the camera bump is getting larger. Lastly, the iPhone 16 Pro will likely adopt the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 12-megapixel 5x telephoto optical camera, which is already known to be larger than the telephoto unit on the iPhone 15 Pro. All the new iPhones will reportedly feature a photography-focused capture button. Therefore, it makes sense for Apple to equip at least some of the new models with better cameras. Previously leaked images of dummy models also suggested that the iPhone 16 Pro would have larger sensors than the current model. How the bigger camera array and larger screen size will affect the phone's ergonomics remains to be seen. The Pro model will reportedly be powered by a new 3nm chipset and may offer better battery life than the current version. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.